So let us begin. 7.8. I'm going to say you the page number. Wait a minute. Open your books. Are you ready with your books, everyone? That is compare mixed numbers, factors,
Yes.
products. Page number 465. Girls, directly go to page number 467. Directly go to page 467. Let us do this page.
I opened it.
Yes. Girls, the first two pages we will not be doing it. We'll just do page 467. Put a cross mark to the first two pages. It's not that important. Just put cross mark to first two pages here. And page 467. You all opened it?
Yes. Miss, is this page 457? 67.
You have to see that the statement is equal or less than or equal to. Okay. Now, girls, you have 5/6 times 2, 1/5. First, I will multiply this. Okay, I have 5/6. You remember how to open this? Do you remember how to open this, girls? Do you?
Miss, what do you mean? I opened this.
2, 1/5. How did I tell you to make it into fraction? 5 times 2,
10.
10 plus 1, 11.
Miss, is this a new 11.
Do you remember this or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So multiply by 11/5.
Okay.
They have shown you the box. This is 2, 1/5. And this is 5/6 of 2, 1/5. You have to compare this. That is 55/30. And then you have here 10, 11/5. How do you know that this is less and this is greater? How do you know that? Okay, let me start with it. 5, 11 and 5, 6. Girls, 11/6 or 11/5. When the numerators are same and the denominators are different, you will choose always the greater number is less. Again, girls, when the numerators are same and the denominators are different, you will choose the bigger number as the smaller one. That's why 11/6, because 6 parts, if you make something to 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and you take this part is small. If I make, like example, girls, if I ask you, I make pizza into 2 halves, I make into 2 parts, and the other pizza into 4 parts. Which piece is bigger? The one you make half or the one you make 1/4? Like I make into half and I make into 1/4. Which piece is bigger?
The half.
The half. If I cut the pizza into half and I eat this piece, I cut into 4 and I eat this piece. Of course, this is big. That's the reason when the numerators are same, the denominator, the smaller number is the bigger one. Did you understand?
Yep, we understand.
Yeah, it's so much confusing, girls. Of course, I'm not going to ask you because these are model questions. I'm not going to.
Miss,
yes.
we took this lesson, but without the whole number.
Yeah, we took this without the whole number. Yes, without the whole number and without mixed fraction. Just write it down, girls. Here, This is greater than. Now let me solve and say you here. Of course, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 2 and then, or let me just do the other way. 5, 6 over 5, 7 over 5. If I open it. Open it means you understood, right? 5 times 1 plus 1. 7 over 5 multiply by 8 over 3. I get 56 and I get 15. Here, 3 times 2, 6 and 8 over 3. If I calculate this, 3 over 8, they said that this is bigger. This is bigger. Now don't, because I don't have the numerator, denominator same or numerator same. So by looking at it, I know that this is bigger. Both the numbers are bigger than both the numbers. This lesson, you all just write it down. This one is less than.
Page what?
467.
Okay.
And here, on your own, if I do this one, 2 by 2 multiply 3 by 2, I get 6 over 4. That is nothing but, if I divide by 2, I have to simplify, girls. I know simplification is not easy. 2 times 3, 2 times 4. What did I get? I got 3 over 2. I got 3 over 2. And if I solve this, I again get 3 over 2. That's why they are equal. Now girls, see, both are same. 3 1 over 6 and 3 1 over 6. These are same, right? If I take 2/3 of 3 over 6, of course it has to be less than. You don't even have to solve, girls. This is a logic question. Again, I show you 3 1 over 6 and 3 1 over 6. Both are same. Imagine this is a part 3 1 over 6. This is a part 3 1 over 6. If I make 2/3 of this part, if there are 3 parts and I take 2/3, so of course it is less than this one. Like example, I say, this is one pizza and this is one pizza. This is 2/3 of this pizza. There are 3 pieces and you just take 2 pieces out of that. Or 4 pieces, you take 2 pieces. Of course, this is the whole. This is the bigger one. 2/3 of something. And that something is here, something is here. These two are same. These two are equal. But when you take out 2/3 from this, so you're taking something amount and that is nothing but less than 3 1 over 6. Algebra, leave it, girls. Please leave algebra. Don't do it. Now, see this question?
Miss, wait, I didn't write.
Okay, sorry.
No, it's fine. Miss, I finished. No, number 6. Okay. I finished.
I will
And
tell
then
you. I'll tell you. I will see and let you know. Okay. Right now, if I do that, we will take a lot of time.
Miss, me too, after like we finish.
Yes, I'm gonna say you which one question where you were wrong in, so that you never repeat that, okay?
Okay.
Now I have something here. This is not from the book, but I want to show you. Now see, again, this is same. This is same, 1, 2 over 7, 1, 2 over 7. If you take out 3/5 of this one, so you know that this has to be less than. Like example, I have 2 cloth. They are same. They are same in size, these 2 cloth. If I take half of this cloth, what do you think? Which one will be remaining greater? This one or this one? The one I have put a tick mark. This is greater because I have taken half of this cloth and this is the full cloth. This is 1, 2 over 7. I took 3/5 of this cloth. So of course this is less than. You don't even have to calculate. Now, 6 and 6.
Miss, where's this page?
No, this is not, no page. This is my own work. Now girls, if you see something same in the denominator and numerator, that is negligible. That is not there, imagine. Now 3 1 over 3 is equal to 3 1 over 3. Did you get it? Again, you write it down that if you find numerator and denominators equal, that is not considered. I just cut it. And now both see 3 1 over 3, that means equal. Now you have 1 1 over 4. And you have 2 extra, something extra. That too with the whole number. That means it is greater than. I have this same, but you don't have a whole number here. You don't have a mixed number. If this is a mixed number, write down greater than. If it is just a fraction, write down less than. If it is same denominator and numerator, write down they are equal. Did you understand a bit? Girls, once again, if you see denominator and numerator same, cut it. Now see this and this, they are equal. Any numerator or denominator, even 1000 over 1000. Even 1000,
Okay.
that means it is 1. Because both are same. That means it is 1. So 3 1 over 3 equal to 3 1. You write down equal to. If you see a fraction and these numbers are same, write down less than. If you see a mixed fraction and if you see the same, you write down greater than. Okay? Same way here, it was on your own. We have finished this, but now we will solve it orally so that you know how to do it by your own. Like coming to here. 1 1/2 and 1 1/2 are same. 2 and 2 goes cut, it is equal to. Here 3 1 over 6, 3 1 over 6. Here 2 over 3 is there. It has to be less than, fraction. If it is a mixed fraction, I told you put greater than. Here also, no, the algebra don't do it, I told you, right? Khalas, girls, that's enough. That's enough for today's class. Have a nice day, girls. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.